Welcome back, guys. Yeah, we did find something. I had a 34, 35 in a hole, and I thought it was going to be nice silver. But check that out. We got gun. It was real. I think it's just plastic. But clean it up and I'll show it to you. Well, folks, we cleaned that up, and I think it's going to be a cap pistol. It says made in Italy right there. You turn it around, and it says Olympic 6. And I'm not sure what that is. So I want to say it's maybe mid 50s, early 50s. I'm not sure, but that is really cool. Anything else, I'll turn you back on.